Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my family's favorite Christmas cookies. And we're going to start by adding 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter into my KitchenAid mixer. And give it a good mix. We're going to add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract and let it mix well. We are going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour slowly, so add some in, mix, add some in, mix. You get the idea. You might have to pause it and scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl and mix it a little bit more to make sure everything is well blended. Once everything is mixed all together, you want to form a dough ball and cover it with some saran wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. After the hour is up, you want to take your dough and create little cookie balls about 1 inch in diameter until you use up all of your dough. You have formed all your little cookies. Next comes the fun part where you create little indents in the middle of all your cookies, and I like using my pinky to do so. Next, I'm going to take some seedless raspberry jam and use a little 1/4 teaspoon to fill each of the little indents that I had made with the jam. And I gotta tell you guys, these cookies are so delicious. Now, here they are all filled with the jam and ready to go into the oven. They are going to go in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes or until the edges start to turn brown. And while they are cooking, I am going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, and a couple teaspoons of water, although I add some more as I'm mixing to get the correct consistency. Once the cookies are done baking, I will put them on a cooling rack and to let them cool for about 15 minutes. Once they are cooled down, comes the fun part where I get to splatter the glaze all over the delicious cookies, and then we get to enjoy them for the weekend. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but for the month of December, I'm doing Vlogmas.